Are we being duped by yet another too-good-to-be-true cleaning gadget? Or has someone finally cracked the code to a scrub-free toilet for 10 straight years? That's the bold promise behind Krazy Klean Pro, a small magnetic pod you drop into your toilet tank, which allegedly keeps your toilet clean without any scrubbing, bleach, or harsh chemicals. It almost sounds like science fiction. So I decided to dig deep and see whether this product really lives up to the hype or if it's just another cleverly packaged scam. Krazy Klean claims to use magnetic fields to alter the structure of minerals in your water, supposedly preventing buildup and stains, but here's the thing. The scientific consensus on magnetic water treatment is sketchy at best. I went through real customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit, and let's just say the feedback is all over the place. Some users reported minor improvements in toilet cleanliness, while others saw no change at all and felt they wasted their money. What really stood out is that most of the positive reviews are either vague or suspiciously glowing, and many neutral or negative reviews mentioned that after weeks or even months of use, the toilet still needed regular cleaning. I also took a closer look at how the media has talked about it, mostly repeating the brand's talking points without challenging the claims. There's no clear, independent testing available that confirms Krazy Klean actually works as advertised. So while the idea of a chemical-free, maintenance-free toilet sounds amazing, the real-world results seem inconsistent and underwhelming. It's not the worst product ever, but it's definitely not a miracle cleaner either. If you're thinking of buying it, just know that it may be more about hope than actual hygiene.